Welcome back to STEM Academy Education. Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to solve problems of ITF inverse trigonometric functions. Exercise 2, question number 4 to onwards. Write down question number 1. Prove the following statements. Sin inverse 3 by 5 plus sin inverse 8 by 17, which is equal to cos inverse 36 by 85. Sin inverse 3 by 5 plus sin inverse 8 by 17 is equal to cos inverse 36 by 85. Write down LHS. Sin inverse 3 by 5 plus sin inverse 8 by 17. Sin inverse 3 by 5 plus sin inverse 8 by 17. Write down the formula. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. Play formula. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal sin inverse x into 1 minus y square plus y into 1 minus x square square. Then sin inverse x into 1 minus y square square. X means 3 by 5 into 1 minus y square. 1 minus 8 by 17 square square plus y into y means 8 by 17 into 1 minus x square. 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square square. Then let sin inverse को solve करो. 3 by 5 square root of 1 minus 8 square कितने 64 by 289. 17 square 289 plus 8 by 17 square root of 1 minus 3 square 9, 5 square 25. There. Sin inverse 3 by 5 into 289 minus 64 by 289, which is the plus 8 by 17 into square root of 25 minus 9 by 25. Sin inverse 3 by 5 into 289 minus 64 कितने 225. 225 का स्क्वायर रूट कितने 50. 289 का स्क्वायर रूट 17. वेरी गुड. प्लस 8 by 17 into 25 minus 9 16. 16 का स्क्वायर रूट 4. 25 का स्क्वायर रूट 5. 4 by 5. There. Sin inverse 45 by 85 plus 32 by 85. Then sin inverse 77 by 85. Again, हमको पहले RHS रचे cos inverse 36 by 85 प्रूव करिवा. तो हमें पहले sin inverse 77 by 85. sin inverse x को cos inverse x रे कन्वर्ट करले प्ले कोन हो. sin inverse x अछि ताको कन्वर्ट करिवा cos inverse x रे. देखो देखि बच्चो sin inverse x को cos inverse x रे कन्वर्ट करले पाइबा एटा हितबो cos inverse x minus cos inverse 1 minus x square square root. Write down cos inverse 1 minus x square square. Then write down cos inverse 1 minus 77 square root 5929 by 85 over 7225 cross square cos inverse 7225 minus 5929 by 7225 cross square root. Write down cos inverse 1296 by 7225 cross square root. Write down 1296 cross square root 36. Then cos inverse 36 by 85. Prove RHS. Write down. Text screenshot. Again, question number double I. Sin inverse 3 by 5. Double I देखो पहले sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13. RHS of cos inverse 33 by 65. पहले taking RHS sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13. हमको जଣା अछि sin inverse x plus sin inverse y रे फॉर्मूला किंतु एठी तो sin inverse x plus sin inverse y नहीं cos inverse अछि तले cos inverse x को हमें sin inverse रे कन्वर्ट कर परिबे कि नहीं राइट डाउन sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cos inverse x को तुम्हें लिखिबो पिले सपोज cos inverse 12 by 13 अछि ताको लिखिबो sin inverse 1 minus 12 by 13 रो स्क्वायर माने sin inverse 1 minus x square रो स्क्वायर रूट जे cos inverse x तर cos inverse x मतलब cos inverse 12 by 13 को तुम्हें लिखिबो sin inverse 1 minus 12 by 13 रो स्क्वायर राइट डाउन cos inverse 12 को लिखिबो sin inverse 1 minus 12 by 13 रो स्क्वायर then sin inverse 3 by 5 plus sin inverse 1 minus 144 by 169 the square root again sin inverse 3 by 5 plus sin inverse 169 minus 144 by 169 के लिए बुझुची sin inverse 3 by 5 plus sin inverse 25 by 169 the square then sin inverse 3 by 5 plus sin inverse 25 to square root 5 169 देला 30 एबे हम पहले sin inverse x plus sin inverse y put the formula sin inverse x and sin inverse y formula होची पहले I रे जोटा पकेतिलो sin inverse x into 1 minus y whole square x into 1 minus y whole square 1 minus y means 5 by 13 the whole square plus y into y means 5 by 13 into 1 minus x square whole square x square means 3 by 5 whole square then solve sin inverse 3 by 5 into 1 minus 25 by 169 plus 5 by 13 into direct calculate 5 plus square 25 by 9 25 minus 9 by 25 plus square then sin inverse 3 by 5 into 169 minus 25 169 minus 25 144 by 169 का स्क्वायर प्लस 5 by 13 into 25 minus 9 कितने मिले 16 by 25 का स्क्वायर ले लिखो sin इनवर्स 3 by 5 into 12 by 30 plus 5 by 13 into 4 by 5 कितने लगले sin inverse 36 by 65 plus 20 by 65 तो लेना कितने लगले sin inverse 56 by 65 then it will be converted to cos inverse sin inverse 56 by 65 को cos रे convert करो तो लिखो इसको पहले इरेज कर दो we get sin inverse 56 by 65 but our RHS will be cos inverse 33 by 65 हमको RHS दरकार पहले cos inverse 33 by 65 दरकार तला हमें को कन्वर्ट कर मिलेगा cos में राइट डाउन cos inverse 1 minus x square मतलब 56 by 65 का स्क्वायर राइट डाउन cos inverse 1 minus 56 का स्क्वायर कितने मिले 3136 by 65 का स्क्वायर रूट होगा 4225 and you can write cos inverse 4225 minus 3136 by 4225 का स्क्वायर तो ये कितने ना cos inverse 4225 minus 3136 1089 by 4225 का स्क्वायर हमने cos inverse 33 by 65 this is the textbook then third I question today write down tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 13 is equal to tan inverse 2 by 9 write down right down let's just tan inverse x plus tan inverse y तुले फार्मूला अच्छी tan inverse x plus tan inverse y रो कितने tan inverse right down tan inverse x plus y tan inverse फार्मूला अपने के लिखी दो छे tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy এটা লাগলে tan inverse x plus tan inverse y এর ফর্মুলা তাহলে you can write tan inverse x plus y 1 by 7 plus 1 by 13 divided by 1 minus xy 1 minus 1 by 7 into 1 by 13 tan inverse 7 13 का एलसीएम कितना रहला सब 9 to 1 9 to 1 13 plus 7 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 91. So tan inverse 20 by 91 divided by 91 minus 1 by 91. So कितने पहले tan inverse 20 by 91 into 91 by 20. So sorry 91 by 91 to 9 गला 90. 91 cancel. The land by that tan inverse 20 by 90 which is cancel 0 tan inverse 2 by 9 which is RHS text scripture. Then question IB. Tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 8 equal to pi by 4. We have to prove tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 8 is equal to pi by 4. But we have another formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y and tan inverse plus tan inverse z. यदि गोटे ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन tan इनवर्स x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z थाए तार पिले फार्मूला कोन अछि माने बताओ tan inverse x plus y plus z minus xyz तले फार्मूला टा पिले लिखि दो चित्र एठी देखो tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z तो फार्मूला वाला tan इनवर्स x plus y plus z minus xyz राइट डाउन tan इनवर्स x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z रो फार्मूला पे हेले tan इनवर्स x plus y plus z minus xyz 1 minus xy divided by 1 minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z रो फार्मूला तो लेबे को tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z write down tan inverse x plus y plus z 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 8 minus xyz minus x 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 into z is 1 by 8 whole divided by 1 minus xy 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 minus yz 1 by 5 into 1 by 8 minus zx 1 by 8 into 1 by 2. Solve tan inverse लो solve करो 2 5 8 रो LCM लियो 2 5 8 रो LCM 40 20 plus 8 plus 5 minus 1 by 80. Then 1 minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 40 minus 1 by 60. Again tan inverse 33 by 40 minus 1 by 80 divided by इसको सब करो 10 40 16 LCM के लिए होची 80 80 इनका LCM 80 तले कहला 80 minus 8 minus 2 minus 5. Then tan inverse ऊपर 48 रो लॉस होगा 80 अब तो जानेंगे tan inverse 8 रो 40 divided by 2 2 into 33 66 minus 1 whole divided by 80 minus 8 minus 2 minus 10 80 minus ये वाला 15 कहते हैं 65 by 80 there tan inverse 65 by 8 divided 65 by 8 तले फिर कैंसिल है गला तले tan inverse 1 फिर tan inverse 1 कहते हैं ना tan inverse 1 which pi by 4 so the proof RHS textbooks.